This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to talk about food you love and ask others about their favorites. Let's get started. Brian, are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Me too. So what's your favorite food?
Pizza. Definitely pizza.
Good choice. Listeners, Brian said, "My favorite food is pizza." This is a simple way to talk about food you love.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is tacos.
Tacos are so good.
Let's practice. Say, "My favorite food is pizza."
My favorite food is pizza.
Great. Say it again.
My favorite food is pizza.
Perfect. Listeners, now think about your answer. What's your favorite food? Say it out loud.
Emily, how do I ask someone about food?
You ask, "What's your favorite food?" It's easy.
What's your favorite food?
See? Natural. Let's practice the question. Say, "What's your favorite food?"
What's your favorite food?
One more time.
What's your favorite food?
Excellent. Now let's talk about types of food.
Like what?
Well, there's Italian food, Mexican food, Chinese food, Japanese food, Indian food.
Those are from different countries.
Right. We often say the country plus food.
I love Italian food.
Me too. Pasta, pizza, lasagna.
Now I'm really hungry.
Sorry. Let's practice. Say, "I love Mexican food."
I love Mexican food.
Again.
I love Mexican food.
Great job. You can change it to any country.
I love Japanese food. Sushi is amazing.
It really is. Do you like spicy food?
A little, not too spicy.
That's common. Spicy means hot, like chili peppers.
Right, some Indian food is very spicy.
True. You can say, "I like spicy food," or "I don't like spicy food."
What if it's in the middle?
Good question. You say, "I like a little spice."
I like a little spice.
Perfect. Listeners, what about you? Do you like spicy food?
Emily, what about sweet food?
Sweet food, like dessert.
Dessert?
Dessert is sweet food after a meal. Cake, ice cream, cookies.
Oh, I love dessert.
Who doesn't? You can say, "I have a sweet tooth."
A sweet tooth? That's funny.
It means you love sweet things.
I have a sweet tooth. That's true.
Let's practice. Say, "I have a sweet tooth."
I have a sweet tooth.
One more time.
I have a sweet tooth.
Nice. Now let's talk about meals.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Exactly. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast.
Simple and good. I eat cereal most days.
Cereal is fast.
Very fast. Listeners, you can say, "I eat" plus the food plus for breakfast.
I eat eggs for breakfast.
Or lunch or dinner. Easy.
I eat sandwiches for lunch.
And dinner?
I eat different things, sometimes chicken, sometimes pasta.
Nice variety. Emily, how do I say food tastes good? Oh, great question. You can say, "This is delicious."
Delicious, that's a nice word.
Or you can say, "This tastes amazing."
This tastes amazing.
Both work. Delicious is a little more formal.
What if the food is bad?
You can say, "This doesn't taste good," but be polite about it.
Yeah, don't hurt anyone's feelings.
Exactly. Do you cook? I do. I cook dinner most nights. Do you cook?
Not really. I'm not good at it.
That's okay. You can say, "I don't cook much."
I don't cook much. I eat out a lot.
Eat out means eating at a restaurant.
Right, it's easier.
True, but more expensive.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Let's practice. Say, "I like eating out."
I like eating out.
Again.
I like eating out.
Good. Or you can say, "I prefer cooking at home."
I prefer cooking at home. Well, not me, but someone could say that.
Right. Okay, let's review. To talk about food, say, my favorite food is plus the food.
My favorite food is pizza.
You can say, I love plus a type of food.
I love Italian food.
And you can describe taste. This is delicious.
This is delicious.
Great work today, everyone. Now I really need to eat something.
Same here. Listeners, here's a question for you. What's your favorite food? Leave a comment and tell us.
We'd love to know. If this helped you, subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.
Bye for now.